Are you ready to record every detail of your travels in stunning detail? 360 cameras have changed the way we record our surroundings because they give us views that are so detailed that regular cameras can't compete. These gadgets are essential for everyone, from thrill seekers to tech fans. We'll look at the 7 best 360 cameras of 2024 in this video to help you select the right one for your needs. Number 7, Insta360 X3 Action Camera. It is a state-of-the-art waterproof 360-degree action camera that can record clear 7K 360-degree video and 72 MP 360-degree pictures. With a 1/2 inches sensor and flow state stabilization, it can work in 2 modes, one for normal single-lens recording and the other for 360-degree recording. This package comes with a SanDisk Extreme Pro 64GB card, a memory card reader, a full 50-piece accessory kit, and other things you need to record lively and detailed video. The X3 camera is great for artists and adventurers because it has cutting-edge AI editing and live streaming features that let you share your experiences right away. Number 6, TOUCAN 360-degree camera. The TOUCAN 360-degree video conference camera is the best way to hold professional meetings. It has a 360 degrees wide-angle view that catches every detail and 1080p HD video clarity. This webcam has 4 noise-canceling mics that make the sound crystal clear so you can communicate clearly in any meeting setting. It's plug and play, which means it's easy to connect and use right away with PCs, laptops, and tablets via USB. It works with popular systems like Zoom, Google Voice, and Microsoft Teams. So it can be used in a variety of virtual meeting settings. The TOUCAN camera makes the meeting better for everyone, whether it's in a small room or a big hall. Number 5, GoPro Max Waterproof Camera. The GoPro Max is a flexible action camera that lets you record videos in the hero style as well as full 360-degree footage, giving you the most creative freedom. You can share your adventures in real time with this waterproof camera, which has max hyper smooth stability that can't be broken. You can also live stream in 1080p through the GoPro app. It also adds horizon leveling to make sure that your scenes look dramatic no matter how you move. The GoPro Max also takes PowerPano 270-degree panoramic pictures that are free of distortion and uses 6 microphones to provide high-quality 360 stereo audio. These features make it a great choice for both vloggers and people who like to go on adventures. Number 4, blurams Security Camera. The blurams Security Camera has a 2K resolution and covers a full 360 degrees. Its IR cut function and motion tracking make sure that pictures are clear day and night. This indoor camera has smart AI detection that sends instant alerts to your phone whenever it detects motion, sound, or people. Free alert videos are saved for 24 hours. It works perfectly with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT, which makes voice control and connecting to smart homes easy. The blurams app lets you see live feeds from up to 4 cameras and lets you talk back and forth with sound. You can store videos in the cloud or on an SD card up to 128 GB sold separately. Number 3, Insta360 Camera. The Insta360 RS 1-inch 360 edition camera, which was co-designed with Leica, has 2 1-inch sensors that work great in low light and give you great picture quality with a wide dynamic range. This camera takes stunning 6K 360-degree videos and 21 MP 360 pictures. The AI-powered PureShot HDR mode makes sure that the photos are clear and detailed. Flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock work together to make movies that are very smooth. They do this by stopping camera shake and keeping the horizon level. The set comes with a 1-inch 360 lens, 1 RS core, a mounting plate, a vertical battery base, and a lens cap. So it has everything you need to record wide-angle 360-degree video. Number 2, DEKCO Action Camera. The DEKCO 2K Wi-Fi surveillance security camera can be used both inside and outside, so it can help keep your home safer. This cutting-edge camera has a pan-tilt view that goes all the way around so it can see everything around you. With 3 MP quality, it takes sharp, clear pictures day or night, and the full color night vision helps. Motion recognition technology built into the camera sets off an alarm and sends instant alerts to your phone, so you'll always know what's going on. It also comes with a two-way radio so you can talk to the camera directly, and it's made to last in bad weather, making it a strong and flexible choice for protecting your property. Number 1, ILWUT 360 Action Camera. The ILWUT light bulb security camera has a dual-band Wi-Fi connection and can be easily installed in any normal E27/E26 light socket. It can monitor everything in 2K HD video, both inside and outside. With its 360-degree pan and 90-degree tilt, it covers the whole area, detects motion, sends real-time messages, and has two-way audio for talking to each other. This camera can be used by multiple people and devices, so it's great for families. It can be used to watch over and protect any place. It also lets you store files in the cloud or record locally on a micro SD card not included. Find out about the 7 best 360 cameras of 2024 and get better at making creative movies. From the strong Insta360 X3 with its 2 recording modes to the clear and useful TOUCAN 360-degree video conference camera and the flexible GoPro Max with its full recording options, these cameras have everything you need. You can use the blurams security camera to keep your home safe or the Insta360 RS to record high-quality footage for professionals. Both cameras have great features and can be used in a lot of different ways. Don't forget to like, share, and comment as we talk about what makes each model different and help you find the best 360 camera for your needs.